Oh, it's windy out here. Are you painting with leaves, Ryder? Okay, let's try now. Let's see what we can do. Let's push the leaf. Let's put the leaf on here now. Can you hold on? Can you put it down?
Oh.
What do you mean how? Like this. Watch. Okay, now push it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now put it all over it. Good job. Want to do a different one?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I'm done.
Or look at, you could paint this side. Paint this side with a different color.
I have one.
See? Whoa, not these color, not that color. Wow, it's windy out here. Right here, I got you other colors right here. There's yellow. Yellow and blue. Remember the rules though, you can't mix the paint and the paintbrushes. No, right here. You want to put it down on there?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now you're mixing the paint colors. Wow, what are you doing, huh?
Painting.
You're painting?
Yeah.
Good job. It's so windy out here.
It's so windy on here again.
Oh, look at all the leaves are just falling on your artwork. Okay, let's turn this one over. Can we turn it over?
Okay. I want more of them. I want more.
Okay, but not pink. Let's use a different paintbrush and a different color. I'll take the pink. Or actually, let's put the pink in here. That one in there. Pink in there. That one in there. Good job. Good listening. Yeah, you can just leave it in there. Ryder. Remember the rules about the paintbrushes, man. Rusty. He is outside. Go in the house, Rusty. Go, go, go. Oh, look at that one already got full of paint for you. What's this? Okay, now we can just put it on there. Cool. Remember?
I can't see it.
Let's do it with this one. Paint that one. This is Ryder painting with leaves. Here's another leaf. And here's a different paintbrush if you want to use a blue. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Put the blue. Yeah, remember in here? I'll do it for you. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. But now you're mixing the blue and the yellow, silly.
It's done.
Remember, we don't mix the colors. Okay, now let's try this. Let's try this. This has got all kinds of paint on it. What do you think we should do with it? Watch, watch, watch. Push it down. Oh. Oh, good job. Wow, what a good job that is.
I want more of them.
You want some more? Oh, here's another one. No more paintbrushes right now, though, okay, baby? Here's one that already got paint on it.
I want this more.
You know what? These ones are for drawing with, so let's use this one.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a new paint. Here's a new light leaf.
It's not winning again.
Let's push the leaf. Remember, we're doing it with leaves. Push the leaf on there. Push the leaf on there. Push them all around. Push them all around. Baby, you're mixing the two colors. I guess that's okay. Put it on the leaf. Good job. Now let's put the leaf. Let's go like this. Remember? With your hand. Do it with your hands now.
I want more.
Do it with your hand now. Put your hand in it. Good job. And then let's take the leaves off. See what they look like. Can you take the leaves off? Can you take the leaves off? Ryder? Let's take them. Help me. Okay, take the other ones.
Okay.
Good job. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see.
More of them.
Wow, there's still some more on there.
I want more too.
Look. Look at these ones.
What?
Take those ones off. Ryder, take those 2 leaves off, please. Good job. Let me see. Good job.
Leaves go away?
No, they got paint all over them. Okay, stop. Stop. What about these leaves? Do those ones. No, put it in the yellow. Good job. Good job. How about putting it in the blue now? Put it in the blue?
Yeah, do it in the blue?
No, the leaf in the blue. Leaf. Good job. Now put it on the canvas. Good job. Now let's hang it up to dry now.
It's done.
It's done. Good job.
I want more of them.
We'll do a different one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say thumbs up. Look at thumbs up for painting
Thumbs up painting.
with leaves.